What is good, guys? So today I'm actually heading to Yashio Factory. The first thing that I'm going there for is, I guess, tires and stuff. We're gonna drift event on Thursday at Nikko Circuit. And the second thing is a whole bunch of you guys ordered hoodies. After seeing Chris's video and whatnot, I put a post up saying, hey guys, you can purchase them through the Taka Garage online store, and a whole bunch of you guys did. So thank you so much. And I've got to go pick those all up now to ship them out. And if any of you guys are interested, just head to takagarage.com.au, go to the online store and just search Yashio Factory and you will find the hoodies. Anyways, enough chit chat. We need to get to Yashio Factory. We got a lot of stuff to do, because then after that, I want to try and get to SDF and check on the progress of the knuckles for the 33.4. I need them bad. It's starting to get ridiculous, especially after driving in Australia with knuckles and then coming back to this. It was disappointing. Anyways, let's get to it. Here you guys go. Japan style street control person, whatever official name is for them. Sometimes in Australia we call these people lollipop people, because they have like a big sign, a big stick with a circle sign, and it looks like a lollipop. But anyways, he's directing us to go through now. Tadaima, I'm home. I love seeing these race cars every time I rock up. This is so far the first lot of orders from all of you guys after you watch Chris's video. There's like 10 hoodies here, a 6-point racing harness, water pump pulleys, ignition harnesses, and a whole bunch of goodies. So thank you so much. Oko-chan is super grateful. Okay, so I wanted to show you this customer's car that Oko-chan's got here right now, because it has a reverse hatch. Thing looks so cool. I've never seen one in the flesh before, and it looks baller as. Oh, I love that she's also got the 180 number plate. Super cool. One of Oko-chan's like old school stickers, and just in general, this 180 is baller. It's got like my favorite OEM wheels, the 370Z wheels. They look so good because they're kind of a stancy little bit of a wheel. They've got a good offset. The interior is quite nice, caged and everything. But what's really awesome is the lace kind of like thing that's on the bride seats. It makes it look like VIP. Super cool. And then obviously Oko-chan's race cars, but Oko-chan's got me working. He's making me do all of my tire changes now, so I've got to do all of these myself. So we're going to do that. I'm going to try setting up a time lapse with the G7X, which I've never done before. I'm going to smash these out because we're actually going to Nikko Circuit tomorrow. Surprise, Sam. I had no idea it was tomorrow. He's making me go. So these are going on there. Tire change, time lapse happening now. Okay, so I'm not sure if the time lapse worked too well, but these silver ones I had no problem with. They were really easy. But the Advan Racing RGD wheels, because they're reverse, and I guess because I'm trying to put 265s on 9J instead of like 10, it's a bit more difficult. And yeah, that last one killed me. It took way longer than expected. So I need to try and get this one off and on as quick as I can. And then we got to load the car up and head back, because I need to see a chiropractor. I've really like hurt my shoulder, and I need to fix it before drifting tomorrow. We are all done, guys. I'm 90% sure I've hurt my shoulder more, but it is what it is. Oko-chan at his welding station, fixing up a hole in an exhaust pipe for a customer. I've never seen the likes of someone welding in a Nike Hype Beast cardigan. Oh, not cardigan, I don't know, hoodie, jacket, zip up thing. But I just think it's baller. Alrighty, that's it for now. Oh man, I really hope I can make my chiropractor appointment. I need to get my shoulder fixed ASAP, otherwise tomorrow's gonna be very difficult to drive. Alright, let's go. Yo, check out this crown. It looks super baller. Love these things so much. If I ever want a VIP car for like family and stuff, and like when I'm super old and just want to cruise in an auto, that's totally what I'd get. Although probably by the time I'm old, those things will be non-existent. But still, it's pretty cool. And unfortunately, I'm stuck in traffic This is supposed to be like 100 kilometers an hour here, but we're only doing 30. Good times, and apparently according to Google Maps, the traffic will end in like 2 minutes, but I've never trusted Google Maps before. So there's lots of cool cars going past me on the way home. Check out this freaking Lamborghini, and it's like chrome wrapped silver too. So sick. Man, I wonder if that's like a part of Motohoshi-san's gang that rips around with like the crazy LED Lambos. That's so cool. Okay, so I've just gotten home after the chiropractor. I'm actually in a lot more pain now after the chiropractor, which is a good thing though. Like everything's now after a good night's sleep should be okay. Unfortunately I have to be up at 4:30 tomorrow so that I can get to Nikko on time, because when I wake up I got to pack the car and leave. So fun times. I didn't really get to film much today, so I'm not entirely sure what I'm going to do with this vlog, because I really don't think there's going to be 10 minutes worth of footage. But what the hell, we'll still put it up, I guess. But yeah, I don't really know what else to say. I'm just really excited about tomorrow. The comp and everything for tomorrow, I'm hoping I'm going to do really well. I'm sure I'll be okay. Like, I mean, it's not like a huge comp. It's kind of like it's the Wins Auto event comp kind of thing. So Baba will be judging and Oka-chan is a guest of honor. So it's kind of like a low-key kind of grassroots comp, if that makes sense, slash normal drift event. So it'll be pretty cool. I'm just looking forward to potentially winning, if well, or at least, you know, placing. That would be cool. Like even like third or second, right? That'd be cool. But anyways, yeah, I don't know. I need to go to bed. I need to try and at least get 6 hours of sleep. So that means going to sleep now if I can. All right, cool. So tomorrow we're drifting at Nikko Circuit. Hopefully things go well. And I'll catch you all tomorrow at the track. See you later, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe and all that jazz. Ja mata ne.